Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fully uninstall that Voicemeeter drivers or software from your device or window. Okay, so let me show you the step by step process. So first we need to go in task manager. Just right click on this blank space and go to the task manager. Okay, here click on this background startup app and find that voice meter here or VB audio. Okay, if you found if you find this voice meter, just right click on that software and right click on it. Okay, you need to make it, if it is enabled, you need to just right click on it and disable that voice meter software, okay, or VB audio. And here if you find any history, okay, here the CPU, this is the current app processing, and from here also you need to find out that voice meter software. Right click on it like this and just end the task. Okay, just close it. Now we need to go in this option which is hidden icon, just show it and find is there any software voice meter and right click on it and make it exit. Okay, now we need to go in control panel, come to the search bar and search for control panel. Here just click on that control panel, make it view by large icon or small icon. I just keep large icon. Go to the programs and features here, and here you need to find that software name Voicemeeter or VB audio. Okay, if you found, just right click on it and uninstall it. After uninstall you need to close this. Okay, now just come to the search bar and search for device manager. Okay, and go here, just expand it. Okay, maximize it, go to the view and go to the show hidden device. Here go to the sound and video controller, and here if you found that Voicemeeter software or VB audio driver, here you need to just select that and just right click on it and make it disable or uninstall it. Okay, device name should be VB audio or Voicemeeter audio. Okay, or you can check in this audio input output also. Here you, if you found that Voicemeeter or VB audio, you need to just select and right click on it and make it uninstall. Okay, now we need to go in registry editor. Just come to the search and type for registry editors, just click on it. Okay, now you will see here some HK folders. So come to this HK current user, just expand it, go to the softwares and find here a Voicemeeter folder name. If you find here, just right click on it, make it delete, just delete it. Okay, and while you deleting, if you got any error like for permission, then you can simply go to the permission. Here select your current that user, like, and if you are using the administrator, just select the administrator and make sure this fully controlled and read only. Read should be allow. Okay, you need to check mark both option and just apply it. Now try to delete it, it will be delete. Okay, you need to delete that folder name which is Voicemeeter and VB audio. Now we need to go in this HK local machine, expand it, go to the software. Same here, you need to find that Voicemeeter name folder, right click on it and delete it. And after that you need to go in this software. If you are using 32 bytes, you can expand it, and here you need to check that Voicemeeter folder name. If you found, just right click on it and delete it. And here in HK user, just expand, go to the default, here go to the software again, and here you need to find out that Voicemeeter name folders, right click on it and delete it. Okay, now we need to go in that run options. Okay, and search for app data. So this is app data, open. Now go to the local and find that Voicemeeter folder name, right click on it and delete it. Same, come back, go to the roaming, and here also you need to find out that. If you found, just right click on it and delete it. Okay, this is a full process to complete and install your Voicemeeter driver. Okay, so you need to just follow it. Okay, now we need to go in that again, run options, go type for temp and just click OK. This is a window temporary file. You need to select all by clicking Ctrl plus A. Now hit the enter button and select the do all current items for same. Just keep it. Now again come to the run, percentage, again temp and percentage, open it. This is a app data local temporary file, so just select all by clicking Ctrl plus A, delete it. Okay, now you need to restart your computer or device, then your Voicemeeter will be completely has been deleted. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.